Hello everyone. Welcome to the lecture series of management and entrepreneurship. In this video, I'll be discussing important management function. What are the important management functions you will be learning after completion of this particular session? So first of all, I will be giving a brief introduction about management functions. So the management functions refers to the fundamental activities that managers perform in the organization to achieve the organization goal effectively and efficiently. Every organization there will be mission and vision. So as a manager, we need to satisfy, we need to fulfill the mission and vision. That means overall goal of the organization. So for that purpose, we should have like major five managerial functions. What are the managerial functions? This is very, very important. Okay. They are number one, planning is very important. First function is planning. Second one is called organizing. Third one is called staffing. Then fourth one is called leading. Ultimately, controlling. These are the five important managerial functions which applicable to all the managerial level or all the managerial strategies. Okay. So we'll be discussing about individual managerial function. First of all, I'll be discussing what do you mean by planning. Okay, planning is essential for every activity. So planning involves goal setting. Okay, because every organization there will be certain objective that has to be like setting of the objective. Okay, like preparing the mission and vision statements. Determine the most appropriate course of action to achieve them. Okay, there are certain goals. How to achieve the goals that we have to plan. Suppose you are organizing a birthday party in your house. So what you will do initially? How many people will be invited? And what about the food arrangement? How about the decoration? What about the cake? Everything you will plan. Like that, for every managerial activity, we should have some planning. So the major functions of planning includes analyzing the current situation. What is the current trends? Then forecasting the future trends. What is going to happen after 5 years, after 10? What could be the market condition? Developing the strategies to guide the organization towards to achieve outcomes. What are the strategy we have to apply? Pull strategy, push strategy. Likewise, there are so many strategies available. Okay. Then cost cutting. Similarly, planning helps the manager to anticipate the potential challenges and opportunity. So, what are the opportunity, challenges, limitations? Then allocation of resources effectively. That is also most important. Establish the framework of decision making. Okay, so that will help us to make the decision making tool. Okay, these are the importance of planning. So, planning is most important role for every managerial activity. Okay, once the planning is over, next we have to organize. What is organizing? Organizing is nothing but arranging the resources. We have financial resources, we have human resources. We need to coordinate and arrange accordingly. So there are people, material, men, resources, equipment, everything we have to arrange systematical and sequential order. So organizing ensures that the resources are allocated efficiently, tasks are divided appropriately, and workflows are streamlined to facilitate the goal and alignment. These are the major importance of organizing. I hope you understood the importance of organizing. Okay. Yeah. So later you can see the staffing. Okay, staffing is also most important. Without a human resource, we cannot do any activity. So it involves proper recruitment, adequate recruitment, selecting right employees at the right time. You can see the figure, training, okay, and developing the qualified employees. Okay, the managers need to access the staffing needs, identify the potential of candidates, and create the positive work environment to retain the top talent. Okay, these are the importance of staffing. It is mainly dealing with the human resource. Okay, the recruitment should be optimum level. Like overstaffing should be prevented. Even lack shortage of staff also should not be occurred. Next is called leading. Once the staffing is over, another step is called another function is called leading. So you can see the diagram. It gives a better idea. We should have a good leader. Okay, without a good leader, no organization will be reaching into the successive position. Okay, the leading is also known as directing. Both are same only. It involves influencing and motivating the people to work towards the organization goals and to achieve the mission and the vision of the organization. This function require managerial to provide the guidance, support, encouragement for to impact or to create the positive work environment, facilitate the collaboration and teamwork, etc. So leading also involves making the decision, a wise decision, then resolving the conflicts between employees and employer among employees, etc. Communicating effectively. Communication is the tool, major tools of the leadership, but that we can say. So the leading is also known as directing. Okay, because we should require a very good leader to uplift our organization. Last one is actually called controlling. What do we mean by controlling? Controlling is nothing but we have like as we can say, we have actual result and we have a planned result. Comparison between actual result and planned result is generally known as controlling. Actual result and planned result. That error or that difference will help us to do the corrective actions. Okay, corrective action will be done based on the difference between the expected outcome and actual outcome. Clear. So we should have it may be positive or negative. If it is negative, we try to overcome that. If it is positive, we'll go ahead with it. Like it will be beneficial for the organization, correct? No? So taking the corrective action when the necessary to ensure that goals are achieved. Controlling helps managers to maintain the accountability. That is most important to improve the efficiency, to enhance the overall organization effectiveness. This is regarding controlling. Okay. So I hope you understood the meaning of controlling. Okay, monitoring and controlling both are in the same fashion. Okay, so in this session, what we have discussed is we understood the importance of managerial function. There are 5 important managerial functions are applicable: planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. All functions have equal importance. If you have any queries related to this topic, you can put up in the comment box. I am happy to answer. I wish you all the very best for your further examination and interview preparation. Also, if you are watching our channel first time, I request you to subscribe. If this video is useful, I request you to share to the concern. Thank you very much for watching this video.